I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and in this video I'm going to be kind of redoing my wardrobe, clearing out clothes, trying on new clothes, selling stuff, donating stuff, all of that, because I have run out of space in my room and there are a lot of clothes that I simply do not wear. Like, I have a lot of clothes that either don't fit or don't fit right. They're not my style anymore, or I just don't wear something for some reason, so I need to get rid of all the stuff that's just taking up space and then maybe get a few more things to replace that, which I actually like. So first things first, I need to clear stuff out. So I'm going to go through my wardrobe and my cupboard and my drawers, because I've run out of space in my wardrobe now. Everything's like just all over my room. I have stuff in my chair as well, but I'm going to go through all of that and select the things that I either don't wear enough or don't fit and need to either donate or sell. I started by taking stuff out of the right side of my wardrobe, which started with caps and then stuff that I wear to school. And then on the left side at the top, it's like jumpers, dresses, the more heavy things and long items. And then at the bottom left, I did lots of little tops and that sort of thing.
The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? Everything just fades away.
I'm just going to come in here for a second to talk about Style Mine. Style Mine is the new fashion-only social media app. It mixes together the best parts of my two favourite social medias, Instagram and Pinterest. Like, if you've ever seen an influencer or a friend post a nice outfit and you want to know where all the items are from, you need to try Style Mine. Essentially, anyone can post photos and videos of their outfits and directly tag the clothes that they're wearing. I also use Style Mine to collect all the outfits that I've worn in one place so I can go back if I want to try them again. It helps me remember the best outfits I've worn so I can go back for inspiration. Style Mine is also great for finding new trends. Like, I've seen a lot of block core, like ballet style and like Copenhagen Scandinavian outfits. There's a trending tab which highlights the next big new thing, and you can see lots of examples and other like new trending outfits. It can be a great place to find new niche trends that you wouldn't see anywhere else, and now you know exactly how to try them yourself. Plus, one of my favorite features is that when you like a post or a product, it's saved on your account so you know exactly where to go when you're looking to like revamp your wardrobe. You can download Style Mine with the link in the description, and you can also follow me at Carmen if you want to keep up with my outfits. After I had this big pile of clothes that I really don't wear anymore on the floor, I took a lot of pictures for Depop. So all of the stuff that I'm selling, most of it is now already on my Depop page, which I'll link in the description.
Come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You give me a
The next thing I did after all my parcels had arrived, I tried on my new clothes. I had a parcel from Depop, one from Jaded, one from Adidas, and one from Mango for school clothes.
Been waking up feeling low. You're on my mind like all of the time, but you're so despicable. Been seeing what you've been sharing online, and I miss your good parts. Then remember that you were a thorn in my side. I know I'll be fine if you stay on your side of town. No, I don't wanna see.
For the Adidas parcel, the reason why I ordered 3 pairs of shoes is because I really wanted the Forum Low Classic, which are the lighter ones that you can see, and they only had them in 5.5 and 6.5, and I'm a size 6, so I got that in 2 sizes just to see which fit better, because it's just never been in stock in my size. And then I also got the Forum Low in this like grey colour just to see if I preferred that colour.
Why don't you stay on your side of town? We might be cool someday, but not right now. Oh, bitch, don't bother me. Done with your negativity. I may not know what love is.
It's so good, really good. Well guys, thank you so much.
Once I started selling some of the clothes, I know there's a pile on my floor of like all the clothes I'm selling on Depop, but I just ignored that and tidied up all of the clothes I am keeping that are kind of laid around my room, especially on my desk chair.
Foggy glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on?
So I finally put all those clothes from my chair away, and it's just so much easier now that I've like cleared out all the clothes that I don't wear from my wardrobe. There's a lot more extra space than there was before. Now that some of the stuff that I've been selling on Depop has already sold, I started packaging that up and sending it off, and I'll be carrying on doing this as more things sell.
Layer the chorus? Yeah. Alright. Gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. Yeah. Gave you my heart for one evening.
I am so happy with how this turned out. Honestly, my wardrobe has so much more space. My room is looking a lot tidier already, and I've already sold some of the clothes I've been selling on Depop. I'll be adding even more stuff to Depop soon, but if you want to check out my Depop and get any of the things I'm selling, I'll put the link in the description. I think my account is at carmen, EMN. I've also been adding some more outfits to Style Mine, so make sure you download Style Mine with the link in the description and follow me at Carmen Rosalind. Other than that, thank you guys for watching.